In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a language on Duolingo using your phone. So I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android and iOS device. And yeah, let's get started. So when you're in the app and you go to your languages or your settings, there is no way to delete a language course on the app. So what you have to do is you have to close the app and go to your browser. So I use Google Chrome browser, but you can basically use any browser. And then you want to type in Duolingo. So then the first website is over here, duolingo.com, free language courses from English. You want to hit this, and then if you're not logged in yet, you want to hit login. And what you now want to do is you want to hit the three dots at the top, and then this comes up. And then you want to hit desktop site. This is very important. You have to enable desktop site. When you enable desktop site, something like this comes up. And what you then want to do is you want to go to your profile picture. So hit your profile picture over here. And then go to settings. And now go to learning languages. And as you can see, here are all your learning languages. My learning language right now is French, and I don't have any more languages. And now I can hit reset or remove language. So you want to hit this. And as you can see here, I can hit remove. And I can also hit reset progress. But I can't hit remove because this is the only course I have. But if I have more languages, so for example English, German, Swedish, you can go here and hit remove. So that's basically what you have to do. Then it automatically will be removed and you have to hit confirm, and then the language will be removed. I can't hit remove because this is the only course I have, but if you have more than one, you can delete it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.